Hey guys, ZooRated back again with another video, and today this is going to be part 2 of the auto off for a 3D printer. So from last time, this is the circuit, and I've been soldering it together piece by piece, and so far I have a little bit of the actual Arduino circuit board all set, and I've also did the control. So yeah, these are kind of bright, but whatever. So this button controls the mode, and then I have to make another PCB. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down this middle line here, and I'm going to mount this switch either like here or something like that, and then 3D print a little box for it. Same with this, and also with this. So we're going to 3D print that. I can show you it still works. Hit the button. 5 seconds later it will shut off. That's off, and also the relay is off. And then you just hit the button again, comes back on, relay is back on. So that's where we are. That's where we are right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this up, pretty much just cut it, and then actually solder these wires to this board. So this board is where the Arduino will sit eventually, and also I need to get a 5-volt regulator because I'm just going to run it off USB. But yeah, that's we'll get more into that when we get there. So let's continue. Alright, there it is. Second to last part before we actually get to start 3D printing the cases and everything. So what I did was I hooked it up to my little power supply. Supplies at 5 volts for now, and I just moved a switch over here set up just like before, and it's just slipped into the pin over here. It's not actually like soldered in yet because I don't know how far to make the wire for the switch. So anyway, let's power it up, and we have that. So that comes on. So the red meaning it's disarmed, and the yellow meaning it is the relay is on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the button, goes to green. Now the yellow stays on. I go back to red. If I hit this button just like before, nothing should happen to that yellow light. Nothing at all. But as soon as I switch it over to green, means it's armed, and I hit that button, 5 seconds later the yellow light / relay will shut off, and it works. It's pretty cool. Soldered it together and all works. Standalone mode. We don't need the development board anymore. Only if we want to change the delay. So all we'd have to do is pop out this chip, put it in there, load up the new code, which you just got to change one delay, and pop it back in here, and that's all you got to do. So I made this wire really long. That way I don't know like where this would be mounted yet. Probably towards the front of the printer, which would be cool. And this would either be towards the back of the printer or inside the like next to the bed. And then this switch, which is gonna be this switch just like before, is gonna be mounted so it hits the bed as it comes all the way down. So that's it for now. This is going to be part 2. There's everything. You can see my wiring job right there. And then the bottom of this. Fun time. Wasn't that bad. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for the next part. It's pretty fun so far. I can't wait till it's done. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.